All right, we are back out. Day 2. It is raining. Brock's got him one on. It's been maybe maybe 10 minutes.
Day 2. We got nothing too special, but
It's small, but it's kind of fat.
Yeah, it's catching the rain. That's pretty cool. All right, you got this. Let her back in. Good stuff.
We're at our secret spot. Is it moving? I'm on. Yep, that's a fish.
Number two for the rain, for the rainy day.
I was like, I was like, it's moving. I guess I didn't have enough. Oh yeah.
Good stuff. GoPro was on.
Do I like you, honey, baby?
Yep.
Is it good? Oh, that is good.
Is it in the boat? Oh, I'm not trying to get a hook in my hand.
Oh, that's Brock's number 2. Hold that. That's unstuck on the. Might as well. Yeah. Do you have your scale? Or? This might be one of our bigger fish of the day. Hopefully it gets bigger than this.
1 pound, 14 ounces.
Not
almost
terrible.
Almost 2. I don't even know. Good fish though. Rain stopped. They'll probably be coming out to eat. So that's how we do it. Oh, go.
Okay, so Ethan just caught another bass. Pole it's in the water.
Oh, geez. This is enough. I don't want to get hooked.
It's okay, it's okay. Look at that. Womp. Do that again. That looks good. Let me hold it for the. That's a good fish.
Maybe I did get one on that first.
Woo! Just hooked on. Ethan just hooked on. Oh shoot, Ethan. Oh my God, Ethan. Here, get it over here. I got the pole. Get it in the water. Get it in the boat. Get it in the boat.
Oh, look at that. That's how he was hooked. That's
Barely.
That's all that had him.
Barely. Make sure it's on. Yeah, it's on. All right. Oh shoot. All right, let's get the scale.
This crankbait is putting in work.
Here, wait. Okay, yeah, I'll turn around. It should be set. I'll say. Zoom that in.
2 pounds, 11 ounces.
That's good. That's a good fish. Look, and the rain is coming. The rain is coming. Here, you got it. Oh. Look at its mouth. It's huge.
Alright guys, we're gonna let him back in. There he goes, free willing.
Alright, so it's, as you can see, it's really coming down now. Me and Ethan came prepared though. We got the rain jacket, we got the swim trunks on. We're gonna still be out here, we're still grinding. We've caught about 5 fish today, 3 keepers. Big whoops, big whoops. Probably catch one on this cast right here. I'm crazy, I'm crazy. As you can see guys, it is pouring right now. Like, it is, it is pouring. See you guys in a bit. The rain has stopped. Hey-o. Let's go, let's go. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, baby. Oh, shoot. It's a good catch. See this? Bam. Nice sized fish right there. Got a little cut on its mouth. But hey, good fish. Get them going back in the water. Hasta luego. Ethan just hooked onto a big... We're going to be seeing the condition of our battery right now. Recharge, low, good, or fully charged. Press button. Oh. Oh, Ethan.
Just kidding.
Okay, we've been out here for a while and it's good. Hey Ethan, it says good.
What?
Battery life says it's good. Yeah. It said recharge earlier, that's the only reason why I did that.
Been like out here all day.
Yeah, but I have been putting on speed 5. Let me show you some real speed. What are the odds I get pooped on? But it's been a good 2 days of fishing. I think just... Oh shoot! What the heck? He's got attacked. Jeez. I was trying to say it's been a good 2 days of fishing. I don't even know how many bass we caught. How many did we catch today? 6? We caught about 6 today. Caught about 4 last time. Caught a catfish, caught a crappie. I mean, hey, just good 2 days of good 2 days of fishing on in them. You know. Okay. You know, this one's starting to look like a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Leave a comment. If you leave a comment in this video, we'll shout you out next one, all right? We can give you a shout out. You know? Hey. Oh, yeah.